Chandler. Joining me out here today will be Dave from our Australia Zoo Prop team. And we have Murray coming out here today. Murray is the original crocodile here in the Crocoseum. He's been in here for decades, since Steve opened up the Crocoseum in the early 2000s. And he's Mr. Reliable. He absolutely loves coming out here, putting on a great demonstration for you guys, and also trying to get the big piece of food with the American accent. So keep your eyes peeled on this canal right here. You'll see Murray making his way out with his claw along the bottom there. Now Murray, he's one of our bigger crocs. He's probably around that 14 feet mark. That water there, that's pretty much knee deep that he's moving through right now. And you'll notice he's not making a ripple. Steve, he designed this Crocoseum with crystal clear water. So you can see what the croc is doing beneath the surface and see how he reacts to me and Dave doing the wrong thing. So we want to teach you guys how to stay safe around crocodiles. Rule number one, don't approach the water like I'm doing right now. I have no idea there's a croc just right there. Now, you can see this gets Murray excited. Me being down near his water. He wants to come out and have a look. We'll see if he wants to grab a feed too. Here you go, Murray. Nice job, Murray. Give it up for Murray, everyone. Now what we're trying to show you guys here is what not to do in croc territory. So you can see me being right next to his water, that gets him pretty excited. I just look like any feral pig, wallaby, anything coming down to have a drink. Now, Dave is gonna head over here where it's a whole lot more dangerous to see this tight section called the creek section. And it is more dangerous, so that's why Dave is doing it. So Dave, over to you.
Thanks, mate.
No worries.
If I sound a little bit nervous at the moment, that's because I am. You have to appreciate the fact that in Murray's jaws, there's more jaw pressure than any other.